Hi, I'm Tatiana Thompson here at Brom Bird Care. So you received this new spring assembly for your Squirrel Buster Plus, but you're not really sure how to change it. Let me show you how. First, we need to open the bird feeder. So remove the cap. Then you need to remove this red cap. Just pull it up like this. Remove the dowel pin, just slide it out. Remove another red cap. And now we have to remove the bottom nut. Make sure that you have a surface to keep your feeder on. And pull out the old spring assembly. Place the new one inside. And now repeat all your actions backwards. The red cap, the dowel pin, the other red cap, and the lid. And your Squirrel Buster Plus is ready for action.